Finland is rapidly emerging as a critical manufacturing hub within the global F-35 Lightning II program, transforming its defense industry into a key player in fifth-generation fighter production. This Nordic nation has moved far beyond simply purchasing advanced aircraft. It is now building essential components that equip F-35 fleets worldwide. At the heart of this transformation is Patria Group, Finland's premier defense contractor, which officially opened its dedicated F-35 production facility in Jämsä on June 13, 2025. This state-of-the-art plant is responsible for large-scale assembly of F-35 forward fuselages, one of the most structurally significant sections of the stealth fighter. These forward fuselage assemblies are not limited to Finland's own fleet. They are manufactured for the entire global F-35 program, supplying allied nations across multiple continents. The facility represents a major milestone in Finland's industrial participation agreement tied to its acquisition of 64 F-35 Block 4 fighters, a procurement valued at approximately $9.6 billion. Construction of the production building was completed during autumn 2025, with full-scale manufacturing scheduled to commence in spring 2026. Once the production line reaches full capacity, the facility will employ up to 150 skilled workers, creating high-value jobs and strengthening Finland's aerospace manufacturing base. Finland's contribution extends beyond fuselage assembly. A separate engine assembly and maintenance facility near Nokia supports the F-135 power plant throughout the entire lifecycle of Finland's F-35 fleet, employing approximately 100 personnel in specialized technical roles. Additional agreements cover production of landing gear doors and other critical subcomponents, further embedding Finnish industry into the aircraft supply architecture. The industrial cooperation framework is designed to scale progressively through 2030, with provisions for expanding production and assembly of additional systems and parts within Finland. This phased approach ensures continuous growth in technical expertise, manufacturing capacity, and economic returns over the coming decade. More than 30 Finnish companies have established partnerships within the program, integrating into a global supplier network that spans over 1,900 firms worldwide. This deep integration provides Finland with unprecedented access to cutting-edge aerospace technologies, advanced manufacturing processes, and sustained industrial opportunities that extend well beyond the initial aircraft delivery. The strategic benefits are substantial. Domestic production capabilities enhance national security of supply, ensuring Finland can maintain and sustain its fighter fleet independently during any contingency. The program also develops critical competencies in stealth aircraft maintenance, engine testing, and precision manufacturing skills that strengthen the broader defense industrial base. Finland's first F-35 rolled out from the Fort Worth production line in December 2025, with initial aircraft scheduled to arrive at the Lapland Air Wing in Rovaniemi by late 2026. As deliveries progress, Finnish manufactured components will already be flowing to assembly lines, equipping F-35s destined for allied air forces around the world. This manufacturing role positions Finland as a trusted industrial partner within one of the largest defense programs in history. By producing mission-critical structures for the global fleet, Finland has secured a lasting position in the future of allied air power, demonstrating that even smaller nations can become indispensable contributors to cutting-edge defense capabilities. Thank you for watching To The Ultra Defense.